Hey guys, it's Lily. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, and today is my final box in my designer marathon. It is number 5 out of 5. So I'm excited to get through this one so that I can start listing and get some of this mess out of my office, because I can't hardly walk in here. I have boxes everywhere. I've already comped most everything out that I have opened. It's just a matter of getting it into my other room to photograph and get it listed. So, with that, if you have seen anything in any of my videos that you're interested in, just email me and let me know. And I usually give pretty significant discounts to subscribers. And I do check to see if you're subscribed. And yeah, it's usually pretty significant compared to what I list it for. All right, so this one came from Swanee, Georgia, like my last one, which was, I think it was, I don't remember. I opened so many, I don't remember if it was the one that was just like mediocre or not. Make sure. Yes, it is a designer box. I, for some reason, have a hard time when I get a lot of clothes. They don't seem to go as fast as like the handbags and, you know, accessory type stuff. All right, and we got a lot to close. So I'm gonna put this down here. Let's see what we got. 4 clothes. All right, we have a St. John. I don't know what kind of tag that is. I'm not sure if this is a new. The tags used to be close to it, or if that was just something that was put on somewhere else. Size 16. I believe this is silk. It is a cream color blouse. I guess could have buttoned it. Ooh, nice buttons too. Nice gold buttons with the with their logo. Did get a St. John belt in a fun box that I thought was like nothing, and it turned out to be great. So I'm excited about this. It's got the wide bell sleeve at the bottom. Let's hope it's not missing any buttons. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yay, it's not missing any buttons. I don't see any snags or stains. Of course, I'll see them all when I steam it out. Go. Not around this stuff. All right. It is 95% silk and 5% spandex. All right. Well, I'm excited to get this one. That's a good thing to pull out of the box first. It doesn't look like it's even been worn. I don't see any discoloration around the neck, in the armpits, nothing. So that might be a good one. Another long tote bag. Let's see. This is also a different design for me. This is a pretty cool one. This is a backpack. Looky there. It's like a powdery blue. It does have a few marks on it. I'll try to clean that. You know, I threw one in the washing machine because a lot of people had mentioned that they throw theirs in the washing machine and they come out fine. Well, mine bubbled, so I'm not going to do that anymore. And yes, it is authentic, so that is nice. I've never gotten a backpack before. I don't know what the difference in prices on backpacks versus just the totes. The corners are pretty good. Yep. Yep. Corners are pretty good. Well, yeah, happy to get, not necessarily happy to get a long chomp, but happy to get something, a different style in a long chomp than just the tote. Alrighty. We have Escada Margarita Lay, size 38. Looks like a pencil skirt, nice for office wear. Back zip, buttons good. It even has an extra button. And let's see. It is 68% new wool and 32% silk. So that's a nice blend. Just needs lint rolled for sure. Okay, nice. We have shoes. Ooh, we have something new with tags. And one of my favorite brands, which is, sorry about that, Alice and Olivia. So let's hope that this is nothing wrong with it, because that is pretty. So Maxi Skirt. You know, I had a Maxi Skirt that I got in a ThredUp 25 piece, believe it or not. And I sold it for like $70. So this is nice. It feels like it's silk. We have a rip. How can we have a rip with new with tags? Yeah. I don't know if this is even fixable for people that sew. There's the edging that's on the rest of the bottom of the skirt. It's probably gonna shorten that a little bit if I can find somebody that can sew on silk. Darn it. Oh, well. Size 10. Same size as my other one that I had. But it retails for $330. So I will check into that if it's fixable. I like the ruffled layer look. I don't know if you can see all of that. It's lined to about the knees and then it goes down. So that is pretty. Hopefully I can fix that. So if any of you out there are seamstresses, please chime in and let me know if it's fixable and how I should instruct somebody to fix it, because I ain't touching it. All right, we have 3 pairs of shoes. So let's start with these. And they are cute. They look little. They look very little. All right, so these wrap around the ankles, and they are espadrille wedges. Okay, and they are YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. Bottoms are pretty dirty, but that's not a big deal. They are size, 36.5. So they're small. They'll probably come clean. The leather is good. I'm not sure. It seems to be glue on there. That's not cool, but it looks worse in the camera than it does in person. I have to see about getting that off. But the shoe itself is very pretty. I mean, for an espadrille wedge, it's cute. And it does wrap around the ankle. All right. Let's get these out. Yeah. like we have here. Salvator fergumos. Yay! And they are an 8.5B. So, a good size. But I don't know. That looks pretty, like, old. Outdated. But they're in good shape. Oh, bummer. Okay, well. Fergumos 8.5B. And our last pair looks to be a red bottoms. Yep. We have some Christian Louboutins. Size 36, so they are small. I have a pair similar to these already, rounded to more rounded. This is more pointed. But they seem to be in pretty decent condition. Even the heels are decent. Of course, you know, the toes are worn. And they're dirty. I don't know if you can see the inside, how dirty that is. So I'll be scrubbing these. Looks like this person definitely wore them without stockings, because a lot of the writing is worn off. But they look right. Yeah, they look right. So we have a pair of Christian Louboutins. Just a simple pump, a little tiny bit of a platform here, but they're in good condition. So I will just clean them up. This one pad has shifted just a little bit around the toe, but oh, they're dirty. But okay, yeah, definitely will make my money back off of this box. I gotta get to cleaning all these designer shoes I've been getting the past few weeks and get them listed. So we've got the Louboutins. What size did I say they were? A 36. And we have the Salvator Fergumos. Very good condition. 8.5B. Good size. Just, I think they look outdated, but you never know. All right, we have the Yves Saint Laurent, size 36.5. The espadrille wedges, black leather. They're in really good condition. I might be able to get that color off there, and it's worse on camera than it is in person, but I'm still going to try to get it off. So those are nice. Alice and Olivia skirt that needs repair, silk. I'll work on that. If anybody has any ideas, let me know. And we have the Escada Margarita Lay, size 38, wool and silk skirt, great for the office. So that's nice. And a long chomp backpack, which I was excited to get, even though it probably won't bring much. It's exciting to get a new style of long chomp instead of just a tote. So that's two now I've gotten different. And I will clean this by hand instead of putting it in the washer next time, because I ruined one. And I love this St. John shirt. Size 16. It is silk, long sleeve, beautiful gold buttons with their logo on all of the buttons. I really like this. Yeah. So I'm excited to see how much this comps out at. So hopefully I'll have all the comps and I'll be able to put them on the screen before I upload this. Again, if you see anything that you like from this unboxing, be sure to shoot me an email and we'll go from there. Now, I will probably put, if I don't have them listed, I'll probably put on the screen what I intend to list them for. That's not the subscriber price, unless I specifically say subscriber price. So you know you'll be discounted off of the price you see on the screen. Other than that, these 5 boxes were great. I had a blast doing them all in a row. I still do have one sitting over in the corner that I have not opened. That's for a later date, a special video. At some point, it's going to be after the holidays, no doubt, because you know it's kind of a busy time for all of us. And I've got some more unboxings, jewelry, fun boxes. That's it. I'm going to be working on listing for a while. Give myself a break from boxes for a few weeks during the holidays here. And try to get some listing done and get some of my office cleared out so I can focus. Because everything's everywhere. So thank you for watching. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me again today. And I hope you liked the unboxing. And I hope it gives you the confidence to sit by the button on your computer and refresh and try to get one for yourselves, because sometimes you get some really great stuff, but it's a risk, so just know that going in. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Lily out.